Welcome to all of you. We discuss about CompuTDS software. CompuTDS provides the facility to easily upload TDS return direct on ITD portal. It generates TDS certificates, forms, and all TDS reports. So let's start TDS demo. First of all, login in software. Now click on TDS icon. Your client list will show here, and you can also add a new client or director with the help of add option. Here giving all TDS form like 26Q, 24Q, 27Q, 27EQ, 24G, etc. Select your form, then select quarter and assessment year from here. After selecting forms, quarter and assessment year, now select your deductor and press OK. This is a client dashboard. Here showing form 26Q non-salary is opened. Here shows deductor name and 10. You can change assessment year and quarter also from here, and you can change TDS forms also in this screen without exit. Like if you want to open 24Q, then press on this link. For 27Q, press on this link. TCS, press on this link. Now first we talk about permanent information. This is permanent information. Here director details, signing person, authority detail must be properly filled to generate eTDS return. In director details, name of party, director type, and all red hash detail you have to fill mandatory. Then in signing person authority details, you have to fill all red hash detail also mandatory. Then save and exit. Now we talk about feeding process. First is entry part. There is same feeding process in all TDS form and only have to follow 3 steps to prepare eTDS return. First, deductive master, second, TDS entry, and third, challan entry and adjustment. In deductive master, you have to add your deductive. Here option given add deductive. First of all, select status of deductive like individual, HUF, firm, AOP according to your data. Next, information part. If you want to fill complete detail of deductive, then select complete information. Or for relevant information, select relevant information for eTDS. Then fill your deductive detail. And here also option given import deductive from master, CompuTDS and from form 24. Master means you can import deductive from your already created client list. CompuTDS mean if you have already added same deductive in other client or deductor, then you can import through this option. Same process as form 24. Now save and exit. All added deductive will show here. Now exit. Press on TDS entry option. First of all, select section from given list. Then press on add new option. Then select your deductive from list and press OK to make TDS entry. Here shows section, name and pen. Fill credit payment date, then deduction date, then fill paid credited amount and press enter. Then software will auto calculate TDS amount as per section rate. Or if you want to manual calculation, then check this box manually calculation. Here also option given reason for lower deduction means in case of lower deduction or no deduction of TDS, you have to select flag from given drop down list. For more information, you can read guideline for lower reason. Now save and exit. Added TDS entry will show here like this, and you can also modify and delete TDS entry with given option, modify entries and delete. Next work is challan entry and adjustment. Click on this. First of all, press on add new option to add challan manually. Select section of paid challan and fill data according to the column given, and red hash detail is compulsory. After feeding challan detail, press on add more option to add other challan. After adding all challans, press on save and exit option. Feeded challan will show here like this. Manually added challan, you have to do ITD verify through given option ITD verify. And also you can modify and delete challan through given option modify and delete. And here also option given to import challan directly from ITD portal through ITD import option. You can watch video for this process. Now last work is adjust TDS entries with added challan. So there is simple process. Just select challan and press on adjust TDS entry option. And if you want to auto adjust TDS entry with challan, then just press on given option auto TDS adjustment. Now exit. Next option is import export. In this you can import challan entries and deductees from Excel file. You can watch help video for this, and you can export manually feeded data in software through export data to Excel option. Or if you have console or txt file, then you can import complete data through this option. Help video also given for this process. And you can also import entries and deductees from bank file also, and from tally XML file. And for import only deductee from Excel file, you can use this option. Now exit. You can make 15 GH entries through this option. You can read help file for this process. Now second part is forms. In this you can preview of form 26Q, form 16A, form 15GH and 15J form. It's a preview part. Now next part is ETDS. After feeding complete data to validate, return and generate a view file, click on ETDS return option. And for uploading TDS return direct on ITD portal, press on e-return direct upload option. Help video you can also watch for this process. After generating FVA file, you can view validation report and 27A form through given option. So these are the simple steps to prepare and upload original ETDS return. Now we talk about online activity NSDL view option. Press on traces. This is traces online activities page. In general, it shows 10 number, form number and quarter. Then in login information, if you already registered on traces site, then fill traces login user ID and password with the help of edit button. Then press on check status option to verify login ID and password. After verifying, it will show registered and active 10. After verifying, you can direct login on Traces portal through login now option. Or if you are not registered on Traces site, then can register through register new option. You can get DSC detail from Traces through this button. After processing, DSC information on Traces will show here. And in this page, after uploading TDS return, if you need NSDL console file form 16A or default file, then you can send request on traces through new request option. Then download and generate. Exit from here. YouTube help video also given for this process of download from 16A from traces and default file. Next part is utility. Here giving various type of tools regarding TDS work, like you can merge duplicate pan through merge deductee tool. You can delete deductee in bulk through this utility. You can make bulk request for verification under section 206 AB. You can use this utility. You can transfer challan and TDS entries to other quarter through this tool. For import deductee of other deductor, you can use import deductee utility. You can view consolidate file through consolidate viewer and can verify pan in bulk through this utility. And for response under section 133C, you can use this utility. Now we talk about other links. Return filing entry of filed TDS return will show here, and you can fill it manually also. After filing original return, if need to revise, then click on correction map and follow given steps. And also you can watch correction return YouTube help. You can make 15I or J entries through this option. And also for uploading form 15GH entries, you can use this option. And YouTube help also given for this process. If TDS return not filed of any quarter, then you can give non-filing declaration through this option. Then reports. Press on this. Software will auto prepare reports on the basis of feeded data in software. There are three type of reports: deductee related, TDS entry related, and other related. You can generate and view any type of report as per your need. Now exit from here. Next is challan. For payment of tax, you can use this option. You can tree view of challan-wise TDS entry through this option and can also generate department letter and other forms through given button. You can get and view traces intimation in software with this option. So after following explained process, you can prepare TDS return easily through this software. Thanks to all.